So what I can do right now is click on the image of the pizza itself. And then what we can do right now is let's click on Ask Canva. Let's click on that. And what happens is that I can easily talk to it. Let's say make the uh, pizza float in space. So what happens here is that it has an agent or AI agent inside of Canva, in which if I click on that, you can easily talk to the Canva. And you would see here. Let's wait a little while. As you know, everything you need to. Let's check. I think I already have this. As you would see here, I already prepared this for you. Ginawan ko na siya ng ng preparation because it takes a little bit more time on my end as I've been doing this. Yeah, actually, this one already has given us the option. Okay, so using Canva right now, you can easily just talk to Canva itself, and you can prompt it to what you're trying to do.